Hello and welcome to another update video about Ripple XRP. Again, just want to make you aware here of a potential breakout. Now we've already gone up 6%, but XRP hasn't done anything really for the last few weeks. So it is still, even though we've made now 5.8%, it is not that pump that I've been looking for. I want to make you aware that we're approaching a breakout point here. Now, is that the one that will take us to the moon? Maybe, I don't know yet. We will see, but we are approaching a key breakout point. I want to make you aware of it before the breakout happens. Now, I just made a video on VeChain. VeChain is still down here. Yeah, so VeChain still has to see that breakout that Ripple has done, that 6%, and is now approaching another key level, that 122 level. If we see that 122 level break, that could really quickly take us to the levels of 140. You can see how quickly we dropped back then in that sort of flash crash. And also Ripple is completing this cup and handle. It's a bit of an odd cup and handle. You could already also see it as ascending triangle, or you can see it as an inverse head and shoulders, which is now we are breaking out of it. In the end, it doesn't matter. They are all bullish patterns, and we have a very well defined horizontal resistance line. The one here we broke out of just yesterday in a big move, as a lot of other larger cap cryptos and altcoins are now doing. We had a breakout point here defined at 115, and you will know that if you, or 116 if you followed me on my previous videos. But now 122 is the next one, and we haven't managed to break out of that. It's actually a bit of a zone, between 122 here and the one, because that is that wick up down before here, and 120.24. In that range we need to get above, and then we can get very quickly to higher levels. The Ripple XRP, as you know, one of my favorite cryptos anyway, very bullish. One of the larger cap ones, which to be honest was a bit less interesting in the last few weeks, because we were still in this pattern out of which other cryptos have already broken out. Ripple XRP hasn't, but now we obviously need to continue that move to the upside. That could just be a fake out. Just be aware of that. It could be a fake out, but we are approaching alt season, so it is getting more and more likely that these breakouts are real, and that we really take now the larger cap cryptos like VeChain, like Cardano, which has a lot to catch up, like Solana, which is doing it now, to new all-time highs. So I'm waiting for a breakout of these larger cap cryptos that have been a bit less interesting in the last few weeks, and I'm talking about here Polkadot I already mentioned, which is doing very nice things at the moment. Then XRP, Solana is doing it. Binance Coin, has a lot to catch up, but we talked about it and it's doing it already. So I think XRP was really one of the last ones, together with Cardano obviously and VeChain, to really get the thing moving, and it's doing it. And then we've got Algorand that needs to catch up as well. But VeChain is just in for before a breakout point as well, and Stellar XLM as well. Take a look at that as well. They are getting now more attention, and let's see, we are pretty much now there where we were on the 10th of October. Now that dropped then quite, and it took weeks for us to really get back to that level. So again, there could be another drop to that trend line here, for example, but maybe that could be the push as well. So we are at this key level. Watch it. If we get above to 122, it gets more and more possible that we move to much higher levels, and at some point then maybe also get above all-time high level if we manage to break the 140 level. All right, so hopefully you liked that update about XRP. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.